Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. I am back with a new strategy which is beginner friendly. I'm personally testing this strategy for a week and the accuracy is mind blowing. This strategy is about EMA trading, that is exponential moving average, and I'm combining this with stochastic oscillator for additional confirmation. In binary option trading, we are mainly focused in 1 minute trading. So in this strategy, I'm combining two EMA, that is 20 period moving average and 50 period moving average. This will help us to quickly see the short-term trend, like where the price is heading right now. And the additional indicator which I'm talking is about stochastic oscillator, and this particular oscillator will help us to see if the market is overbought and oversold. Here in the indicator tab, you have to find moving average. This is the one. So here we are going to change the value to 20. Okay, we are making it 20 period moving average. Let's select the color yellow because yellow is more visible, and in place of SMA we are choosing EMA, that is exponential moving average. This is more fast and advanced. Okay, so this is the one, and the second one we are choosing the same moving average, but this time we are making it 50. The value is 50 EMA. The same EMA we are choosing exponential moving average, and let me choose the color. I think blue is more visible, yellow and blue. Okay, so let's make it blue. It's up to you the color, but the value needs to be same. Now here you can see two lines, that is 20 period moving average and 50 period moving average. These are the values. You are seeing two lines on your chart. I'll explain you the rules of these lines, but we are adding one more indicator, that is stochastic oscillator. This is the one, stochastic oscillator. Okay, the value here are same default value, we are not changing anything, and we are now ready to trade. I'll explain you the rules which you need to follow. So this is the setting. So guys, while taking trade with indicators, we need to find a perfect nice pair which is moving in a trend. Okay, whether it be ranging or trending. So let's find a perfect chart and I'll explain you how this strategy works. So let's find. The rules here are very simple. It's like I have made a video on moving average before as well, but this is a little bit different and advanced. So this is a nice market, a good one. Okay, let me explain you the rules. So here what you have to see is the 20 period moving average line needs to be above, right? And after that the 50 period moving average following after the 20 period. So the yellow line is 20 period, the blue line is 50 period, and there needs to be crossover. You see the crossover? As soon as there is a crossover by 20 period moving average above and 50 period moving average below, right, and the crossover happen and the candles are moving above the EMAs, we are looking for call option trade only. So this is the rule. And with the stochastic oscillator there needs to be a crossover as well from oversold. You see here the 30 line, this is the oversold line. So if it crosses, the stochastic also gives us confirmation from oversold, then we can pick our call option trade. You see how easy and how accurate this is. We are not looking for overbought, we are only looking for oversold in stochastic oscillator, and this will work as additional confirmation to get that accurate trades. Understood? And similarly here, if you see, as soon as the 50 period moving average is above our 20 period moving average, here there's a crossover, right? This is called bearish crossover. So candles are moving below our EMAs, correct? In this kind of situation we are looking for the additional confirmation from the stochastic from overbought, that is above our 70 line. This is the rules. It's very simple here. the bearish crossover. This will be our additional confirmation. We are not looking for oversold, we are looking for overbought areas like this. So this will be our additional confirmation from the stochastic oscillator, and we'll be taking trades according to this indicator. So basically you are looking oversold and overbought areas for the additional confirmation with the stochastic oscillator, and with the help of moving average we are looking the current trend of the market. Okay, with the help of these two set of indicators we will find our trades, and I will give you some live trade examples. So let's find the perfect chart so that I can place some of my trades. Let's see. Okay, here this market is completely bullish. As you can see, the candles are moving above our EMAs, that is 20 period and 50 period, that is aligned perfectly correct, and the stochastic is also giving me a signal of bullish crossover. So here I'm going to place my call option trade. So the rules are very simple. The candles needs to be above our EMA, the EMA 20 needs to be above EMA 50, and the stochastic should not be in oversold, overbought area. Okay, the stochastic needs to be at least around 30 line, and this is the confirmation. Let's see the trade. According to my analysis, with the help of this indicator, the current candle needs to be a bullish candle, a green one, which is why I have placed my trade as a call option trade, and this is going to be 100% ITM. Even if I see the overall structure of the market, the structure is bullish, so we are taking trade only according to the current trend. Okay, so this is 100% ITM trade. Here we can take one more trade with call option trade, but if you see the stochastic oscillator, I will wait for the stochastic to go up to our 30 line so that the stock value will be oversold and we can take continuation trade. So especially when we are taking trade with OTC market and with indicators, we need to be a little bit careful with all the candlestick psychology. Okay, so here in this particular chart, the market is doing up and down between our indicator, that is moving average. So this is not a good market. Okay, this is sort of like a stock market, so we are not placing any of our trades in this kind of market. The candles needs to be above our EMAs. There needs to be a clear trend. You see here, this is what I was talking about. I wanted to wait for the stochastic to go up to 30 level so that the stock price would be oversold and we can take continuation trade. So let's find a perfect opportunity here. The current price, the major trend is downtrend. You see, this current chart, it tried to go above our 50 EMA, but the stochastic is clearly overbought. Right, when the stock price is overbought, there needs to be reversal, and the major trend was downtrend. You see, and also the EMA, the 20 period moving average is below our 50 period moving average. That was one confirmation. There was a bearish crossover from the EMAs. You see the bearish crossover here, right? And because of these confirmations, I have placed my immediate put option trade, and this is going to be 100% ITM trade as well. Look how powerful these indicators are. It's so powerful, and if you practice this correctly, you can generate a lot of profit with this set of indicators. Okay, that was a clear ITM trade. So here there is a bullish crossover, but still this chart is not clear. Stock market, this is also a stock market, downtrend. So we need to wait patiently and find the perfect chart to take trade on. So let's find. Here in this chart, the moving average is clearly showing us the bullish crossover, but the stochastic is not. You see that? stochastic is overbought, so we have to see oversold in stochastic. Okay, we need that additional confirmation. Here this is the same situation, there's no clear indication by the stochastic, only moving average. That's why we need two confirmation. You see, stochastic needs to be in level 30. Okay, I don't think there is any good opportunity. The market looks a bit choppy to me, and the stochastic is not giving me clear signals. So I'm ending this video right now. But you keep practicing this strategy in your demo account, and if there's any questions or queries, you can write me down in my comments section. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing, guys. With this, I'm signing out for today. Bye, guys.